stop panicking when things go wrong. This story proves why your bad luck might actually be the best thing that ever happened to you. It's called the Novella Mindset. Listen closely. There was an old man named Elias who lived off the grid in the mountains. He had zero money, but total inner peace. He also had a stunning red horse named Orion. One day, a rich guy offered him a fortune for the horse. Elias said no, he's not property, he's family. The rich guy called him a broke fool and left. A few days later, the horse ran away into the forest. The villagers came running, saying, "See, you're cursed. You lost the money and the horse." Elias just sipped his tea and said, "The horse is gone. That's the only fact. Don't judge the whole movie by a single scene." Everyone thought he was delusional. But 2 weeks later, the horse returned, and he wasn't alone. He brought 12 wild horses with him. Suddenly, Elias was the richest guy in town. The villagers flipped the switch instantly. "Wow, you're so lucky, it was a blessing." Elias stayed calm. "You guys obsess over labels. Good luck, bad luck, who knows? Just wait." Later, Elias's son tried to tame one of the wild horses. He got thrown off and shattered his leg, permanently crippled. The villagers came back with the drama. "Oh no, it was a curse. Now your son's life is over." Elias replied, "My son has a broken leg. Stop adding your own horror story to the truth. Trust the process." A month later, the kingdom declared a brutal war. The military came and drafted every single young man in the village to fight and die, except for Elias's son. They left him behind because of his broken leg. While everyone else cried for their lost sons, Elias's son was safe at home. That day, the village finally learned the lesson. What looks like a disaster today might save your life tomorrow. So stop overthinking, stop judging the moment, and just let the story unfold.